Okay, we're back on the show floor now for part 2 of our topic, yield and performance. And I'm joined by Mr. Jérôme Rousseval from our product management team. Hello, Jérôme. How are you doing today?
Hi, Mark. I'm doing very well. Thank you. And you?
Very well, thanks. Well, we talked a little bit earlier about increasing yield and performance using data analytics. Now we're on the production line. Perhaps you could explain to us all of our hardware and software that goes into improving yield and performance.
Yes. So what we have, Mark, is the Process Expert solution. It's the first expert system for electrical manufacturing. If you look at SPI and AOIs, they only look at the measurement data from those machines and only provide those data. With Process Expert, you have a look at the complete SMT line, and you can actually optimize every single step of the line. We already had the printing module, which is the full process optimization, and it's fully automated. It works with our SPI, process lens, but it also works now with third-party SPIs. With the new features of Process Expert, we can now optimize as well placements, and we can link to third-party AOI machines to have a look at the complete SMT line to find out where the defects were created and then to put corrective actions in place that the defects won't be created again. So with Process Expert today, you can have a look at all the processes from printing, measurement process from the SPI, placement process, and measurement process from the AOI.
That's excellent, Jérôme. So we took the printing process, made it closed loop, added in placement, and that now is going to give us the highest possible level of quality across the whole production line.
That's correct. With Works Process Expert, you can actually achieve 0 DPMO for the complete line. It's not only a dream, it can be achieved.
That's excellent. 0 DPMO, ladies and gentlemen. That's a great place to finish. Jérôme, thank you very much for your time. Wish you a great day at Productronica.